Yo, what's good, everybody? In today's video, I have a good but short topic that I wanna introduce to you guys, so you can let me know what you think about this topic in the comments down below, and let's have a nice and discussion. And it's the death of YouTube builds, or in this case, the death of PC build in the YouTube $7 kit, for we can eat up the set of CPU, different flavors of GPUs and stuff like that. Average buying a $5,000 GPU, or they can spend like $3, $5, even $6,000 in memory or SSD or whatever. I don't think you can be so disconnected from the community in a sense that you can be like, yeah, people are gonna eat this video if we do a build already on a, I don't know, 5080 with 4 terabytes of SSD and like 6 gigs of RAM for editing, or be like, I'm upgrading my first computer, and you get people like RAM, which people can even afford to buy right now in the market. When you can see that 16 gigs of DDR5 right now costs about like $200. It costed, oh yeah, I'm putting on my personal computer, I'm putting a 4 terabyte SSD just because I can. Oh, I need it as my scratch disk for my video editing on this YouTube channel or whatever. Like, it's so connected from like what the YouTube feels like, those type of builds. Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go surprise my son with a $6,000 computer, or I'm gonna surprise my brother with a brand new computer because his broke down or whatever, broke, and I'm just gonna give it like a $5,000 computer. I think it doesn't make sense for your community and for the community, for the gaming community as a whole, the PC master race community as a whole, to be seeing those type of builds when most of us can even get access to like 32 gigs of RAM or a terabyte of SSD. I wanted to upgrade my build and get like, because right now I have a 1 terabyte drive on it, but it's like Gen 3. I wanted to upgrade to like a Gen 4 at least. And I see the prices, it's like, yeah, a terabyte of SSD capacity for Gen 1, Gen 3, Gen 4, and freaking SATA, bro. It's like almost $200. How does that make any sense at all? I know it's related to the AI boom right now that we're going through, but how does that make sense in 2026? I'm gonna make you a deal. If you like and enjoy the content that I'm creating and think that I deserve your subscription, I will commit myself to bring you the best content that I possibly can. Whether it is suggested by you guys, the community, or whether there are topics that I think you guys will enjoy. So if you think this is something that you could do, I would appreciate if you let me know by giving me a thumbs up. When PC 6 months ago, you could build a brand new spanking computer with pretty decent specs for entry-level or mid-range or high-end for like $1,000, like 2 terabytes of SSD, freaking 64 gigs of RAM. And right now you see builds that these people are showing you on build videos, and they're like freaking $2,000 for a computer with just 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte of SSD, and a freaking 960 XT. Like, how does that make sense? Make it make sense, bro. Like, how is that even possible? How is that even comparable? Why won't you just pivot your content to something rather than just, oh yeah, we're just known to make builds? I mean, I know Linus can just do it because it's Linus. He has a big ass community that nobody cares about. I mean, I know there's certain people that are the vocal minority in his comment sections that actually speak about this topic that I'm bringing to you today, but everybody else just eats it up like it's nothing. Like, I know there's a lot of people that watch those YouTube channels that they have money because they work, in like big companies, and they have big positions in those companies, and they can afford to do whatever it is those builds that they do is. Because I know there's a lot of people in their comments being like, yeah, I'm just gonna buy a 6090 when it comes out. Yeah, because I think by that time my 5090 is gonna be useless or whatever. And you'd be like, bro, how can you be so how can you be this disconnected from the market and be like trying to be like everybody else is on your level when it's not. Like even Linus, I don't think he has a 5090 in his personal computer. Last time I checked, I think. But yeah, it's like so disconnected when you be like, I think on Toasty Bro, I think one of the guys is like, yeah, I have a 5080 on my computer, but if I could do it all over again, I wouldn't go for a 5080. Yeah, but you already have it, bro. You already spent, I think he said when he bought it was like $1,400. Like, yeah, and you think you can brag like that to most of your audience, that most of your audiences it was about being budget friendly and stuff like that, and you'd be like, you're flexing with a 5080, bro. Like, how is that relatable? How can you make relatable videos if all you're gonna do is just try to chase and catch up to people like Linus and MKBHD and people like that? Because there's a lot of people on the budget niche on tech computers that they still do budget computers. They still do things with like 960s, 9060s XTs and the 7600 and stuff like that. And you want to try and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna up one and try to be like Linus. Like, how can you be so disconnected from what your community is? I'm pretty sure that these people don't even read the comments on their videos anymore. Like, I know that you have a business around selling computers and stuff like that. Like, I know Toasty Bros do, and ZTT does too, but bro, like, you should hire somebody to just look at or scrape, or build a program to scrape the comments based on whatever bill it is that you know. The SAG on ZTT basically is trying to give you like the most bang for the buck videos that just like that, or like, yeah, number go big number go boom, or whatever. Like, yeah, that doesn't make any sense, and it doesn't make us conscious people like about ourselves. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna keep following it. It's like I saw a couple. It's been a show for like the past year, only a big YouTuber, and I was doing this for money and stuff like that. You know, maybe hire somebody or create some type of program to scrape and divide the good comments from also it's gonna be stale. It's gonna be like, oh yeah, this guy just fell off the map. This guy just fell off the map. This guy doesn't even know what he's talking about anymore. This guy just makes videos just to make videos because he want to make money. And I don't think even people are gonna click on your affiliate links and stuff like that for things that are like out of their price range, out of their price budget, because they're literally telling you that you are not in touch with the community. You are literally following the footsteps of big creators because you think you have the same leverage that they do, and it's not like that. People don't watch finance. Well, it's for the expertise, but also for the comedic sense that he brings, also the entertainment that he brings. It's not for the things that he can teach you. It's not for the things that he's gonna show you that you can do with this piece of gear that you didn't know before, because you don't know how to Google, or you don't know what the hell it is that you want to try, or it's something so niche that you didn't think you needed it or whatever. No, it's just for the comedic side of things, the way he presents his videos, makes his videos, and the entertainment side of things. People don't watch Linus for yeah, I want to learn this new type of car that came out that it's like 2% better than the previous model, whatever. No, they watch Gamer Nexus for that, or even to an extent, I think JayzTwoCents for that. But everybody else is just chasing numbers and trying to chase after the big YouTuber, which actually hurts your community as well as the whole community. Like, yeah, bro, these people are so disconnected from reality. Like, literally, I've seen it thousands of times on these people's videos, especially even on Linus's channel itself. So I think they should dial down a little bit and go back to their roots, how they started and how they gonna, you know, continue to keep their community happy. So that's just my 2 cents. I don't know if I'm just talking crap, or so let me know. Let us have a civilized conversation in the comments down below. And those are just my 2 cents on the topic, and I'll see you guys on the next one.